So I've got my hello world in there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have my program ask what someone's name is. So same thing, it's just going to be print because it's going to be saying something. Parentheses, quotation marks, and it's ask what is your name. Now don't be afraid to click on run as many times as you want to check and just see how things are going and make sure it's working correctly. You don't necessarily have to do that every single line, but it doesn't hurt if you decide to go that route and just kind of double check things. So now from here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set up a variable. So the variable I'm going to set up is going to be my name. Now in coding, we use something called camel case, where the first word is lowercase and the second word is uppercase, like that. We don't have spaces in there because spaces are very important to a lot of different languages, and in Python is no exception to that. So a space can actually throw things off. So it's going to be one word, and to make sure we know where the break is at with different words in my name, we've got the uppercase N. So if I wanted to, I could do something, my name is, and I'd do a capital I and lowercase s. I'm just going to stick with my name, and I'm going to put equals, and this is where I'm going to call in a function. This time around, I'm going to call in the function input. Okay, so you can see it turned yellow like the print did. So now it knows it needs to do something, and I'm going to leave this empty. The reason I'm going to leave this empty is because it's going to let someone else tell what that should be. So I'm going to click on run. So you can see my print here, and now you can see this little markers over here is waiting for my name. So I'll put in my name, Mr. Blanchard. You can see I'm typing over here on this side. So that is going to go into my argument over here for input. Now, if I push enter, my program will end with the little orange caret over here to tell me a program is done. But that is how we get different things into our program. So next we're going to see how to actually do something with that once we have it.